Hello everyone and welcome back. In this lesson, we're diving into the awesome benefits of Pinterest. Now you might think of Pinterest as just a place to find recipes or DIY projects, but it's so much more than that. Pinterest is a vibrant social media platform where you can discover and share ideas, images, and videos on a wide range of topics. I will discuss a few key points on how joining Pinterest can bring you tons of value beyond just finding inspiration for your next project. So, let's get started. Number 1. Discover new ideas. One of the main benefits of joining Pinterest is the ability to discover new ideas. Whether you are looking for recipes, home decor ideas, or fashion inspiration, Pinterest has a wide range of content available that can help you find what you are looking for. Number 2. Save and organize content. Another benefit of joining Pinterest is the ability to save and organize content. When you find an idea that you like, you can save it to a board that you create. This allows you to keep track of your favorite ideas and access them later when you need them. Number 3. Connect with like-minded individuals. Pinterest also allows you to connect with like-minded individuals who share your interests. You can follow other users and their boards, and they can follow you and your boards. This creates a community of individuals who are passionate about similar topics. Number 4. Stay up to date on trends. Pinterest is a great platform for staying up to date on the latest trends. By following popular boards and influencers, you can see what is popular and trending in your industry or topic of interest. Number 5. Improve your creativity. Finally, joining Pinterest can also help improve your creativity. By exposing yourself to a wide range of ideas and content, you can expand your thinking and come up with new and innovative ideas. So these are the benefits of using Pinterest. These insights will help you gain a deeper understanding of the platform before diving in.